Yes, email to sir.
Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. It is audible now because some network problem occurred. That's why it will be lately starting. Yeah. Just observe it here. Today, don't write it anything. These are demo classes only. Today, we are going to discuss small information about Oracle 19C. What is Oracle means? Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation, same like a Java, same like a .NET, same like a Python. This is a software product. 19 is a version number. 1978 onwards, Oracle Corporation was released so many versions. Oracle 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. These three versions are also called as 8i, 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. These are the versions. Don't worry. And new changes are there in a 19 onwards. That's when 19 I'm starting. Okay, don't worry. 19 latest versions, one of the latest version, this one. 19 is a version number. 2019 one only, 19 year only that version was released. Here C means cloud technology. Nowadays everyone knows cloud. Okay, yeah. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number. C is a cloud technology one. Now slowly observe it here. Oracle is a what type of product? That is important. Oracle is a database product. Database product. What is the purpose of these databases product means? Observe it here. To store data, don't write it here. To store data permanently. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. In secondary storage devices. Store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Now check it out. Up to this one, maybe so many fellows having idea. But unfortunately, observe it here. We are learning this type of database products. You are working, I am working like this. Okay, don't worry. And now, observe it here. Everyone thinking about whenever we are installing a Oracle software, observe it here. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically some place is created in a disk only. This place is also called as database, otherwise Oracle database, for example. Okay, yeah, Oracle database. Database is a place. Oracle database. Up to this one, everyone knows. Slowly observe it here. This database stores. I am also, you are also thinking this database stores a what? A collection of data. That is a wrong one. Everyone thinking of what? This database, Oracle database stores random collection of data. Any collection of data, they are telling only. That is the wrong one. These databases does not store random collection of data. Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Postgres, Ingress, these type of database softwares always implemented based on relational data model is a concept is there in a future. Don't worry. That's why these databases stores a what type of data? Yes, not a random collection of data. Always these type of database software stores a what? structured collection of data. That is important. Structured collection. Observe it here. Nowadays, this is a table format. Because EF code, he is a father of the relational data model. He is only designing a what? Representing the data in the format of matrix. Because he is a mathematician. He is working in IBM company. That's why he is only introduced a what? Relational data model. That's why he is representing a data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns are not. This is called a structured collection of data. Very, very important. Always structured collection of data. Oracle database stores a what? A structured collection of data. At least a table format. You are remembering this enough. What is the history? Means big history. That is later I will tell you. Fastly observe it here. Actually, not only Oracle, relational data model is a concept is there. In that data model concept, 1970 only, EF got introduced. He is a mathematician. Data is represented in the format of matrix. Everyone knows. But that a data model based only, they are implementing products only. Oracle from Oracle Corporation. SQL Server from Microsoft. MySQL is an open source. Nowadays, Oracle was purchased. Now here another one is what? DB2 from IBM company. Teradata is from NCR Corporation. SQLite in a mobile applications. In your mobile also database is there or not? There is a Oracle database. That is a SQLite database. This is also relational data model. Relational data model product. Again, Sybase is a relational data model product. Again, Ingress, Postgres. These all database softwares are relational database softwares. Relational database software means data is represented in the format of tables. Otherwise, data is storing in the format of tables. That is structured collection of data. Only these databases stores a what? Structured collection of data. Now, really, structured collection of data is correct or not? First, check it out. Now, observe it here. In a future, you are also, I am also installing a what? This Oracle software. How can I, what is that one tools? I will tell you, don't worry. Here, observe here, I am installing a Oracle software. This is a Oracle database. Here in this database, only structured collection of data is available or not. Check it out. Now concentrate here. Yes. Big tables, observe it here. These are three different tables are there. Observe here. Yes. Tables are available or not? Here. The table format only structured collection of data. This employee number is a column. Why I am telling about this structured collection of data means these are called columns. These are called rows only. Okay, rows lines. Now here, observe here. This column, employee number column stores only numbers. Again, e-name is a column is there, only stores strings. Again, hire date is a column is there, only stores dates. Like this only a structured format only data is storing. Once data is available in a structured format, observe here, once data is available in a structured format only, then observe here. I am also, you are also operating this data by using a what? By using a what? Which language? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One universal language is there. What is that language? SQL is a language. SQL is nothing but a what? A structured query language. This language history also big. That is also introduced by EF code. That is a DSL alpha language in 1970. Nowadays, DSL alpha language was changed into where Square was changed into where SQL is changed into where SQL. So much of history. That's why SQL is a language. If you want to operate a what? A relational data model products, then we are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. Suppose, for example, here some data is there in my table. For example, in the database is nothing but a collection of tables. Imagination. Suppose I am working in a project. Here my name is Murali and okay Durga. These two records are there. I want to remove these two records. I want to delete these two records in my project. Then I am also, you are also typing some command. Same like English type language only. Delete from table name. Observe it here. Where employee number in 1, 2 I am writing. Then automatically, yes, here. Just observe it here. I'm typing a what some command, same like English type language only, just I'm typing command, then automatically those rows are deleted or not. Yes. That's why always that language we are learning only, that language is also called as what? SQL is a language. These commands are there, very easiest language, non-procedural language. Variables are not there, loops are not there. Very easiest language. Anybody doesn't know any software also, they are learning very easy way this language only. That's why this is the easiest language in the worldwide. SQL, structured query language, that is a non-procedural language. Okay, fine. Yes, observe here, observe here. Only storing the data purpose in a Facebook also, in a YouTube also, in a Google also, internally, okay, databases are there. Our data is automatically stored in a where database. But those databases data we are retrieving, end user not viewing about those databases, but they are retrieving about data how efficiently, means database programmers are there. Those programmers writing about these type of coding only. Okay, that is called SQL coding. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose I am working in a company, for example. This is a DEPT table is there. Here, this is a New York is a location is there. Suddenly, they want to change what a New York location into where Hyderabad is a location. They are asking only, for example, in my project. Now, I am a database programmer. I am a Oracle or SQL Server, MySQL, any programmer means very easy way within fraction of second. I am changing a what a data. How means I am writing update command, update, delete, insert, okay, select. So many commands are there, don't worry. So now update table name set here, location is equal to Hyderabad, where location, okay, where department number is equal to 10. In the future, you are also writing this much of coding very easy way. And now here I will tell you very easy way how you are writing without any knowledge also, every person this coding only. Here Hyderabad, possible or not? Yes, possible. And now here, check it out. Here, concentrate here. Now it is audible clearly because some voice disturbance only they're telling something. Okay, now clear. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose only store data purpose. No. How efficiently you are retrieving a what a data, that is important. Fetching a data. Suppose in my project, this is a table is there. For example, okay, just imagination. In my project, this is a table is there. Select star from in a table, test is a table, for example. This is a table is there. Here, observe here, employee numbers they are storing. Employee names they are storing. Observe here. Here, salaries they are storing only. But suddenly they are asking what in my project report. Here, total salary they are asking. Then here also, I am also software but database programmer means we are typing what some command. Here I am typing what some command only, and now from this database table we are retrieving what data. Observe here, total is 8,000. Observe here, I am not calculating 1 lakh records, 1,000 records, or 1 core records also. 3,000 plus 2,000 is a 5,000, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We are not allowed to calculate manually. Just we are typing a what one line of coding only, then automatically server is take care all the things or not. This is called SQL coding. Now I want to display, yes, this total with along with another column means observed here. Yes, we are converting a what this one into where latest technology. Here over is a clause is there, analytical function. There's a windowing function, advanced. And now here check it out. Yes, observed here. Yes. Here observed here, one Smith total also it will be there or not. A summarized data if you want to display in each okay, this is a report. That's why from the table I'm generating the reports because I'm good at what SQL, then I'm generating report. Observe here, one Smith salary is there. This is a report, not a table. Just it will be generated from the table only. Here total is 8,000, 8,000, 8,000. But I don't want like this in my project. My manager asking Murali, I want to calculate a moving average, otherwise a running total. Anybody have any running total in a cricket matches? Their viewing means running total is important or not? I want a running total, they're asking. Suppose I'm experienced person means within fraction of second, I'm retrieving a what a running total means I am writing a what some commands like this. Don't afraid only. These are all the things very easy. Now here check it out. Here I'm writing a what something only. A running total is a calculated, observe here. Here, observe here, 1000. 1000 plus 2000, how much? 3000. 3000 plus 2000, how much? 5000. 5000 plus 3000 is how much? 8000. How it will be calculated running total? Just I know the SQL language. In a, okay, some commands I'm typing, then automatically server is calculated. These type of professionals are required in a where in a company side. Suppose cricket matches live is going on. That is running total you want only. Yes, here how it will be. Each and every time you need not to okay, so no worry about the what each and every time score only and adding a what that previous okay where so no score into where this score okay not required. Just we are writing a what some okay query that is running in a job scheduling means automatically that is calculated. Observe here automatically. Average also automatic. Okay, so now here this coding you are writing. How you are writing a what this coding means this code is called which one? SQL is a language. This coding purpose only we are learning a classes. SQL language, structured query language. Structured query language. Okay, yes, structured query language only. That's why if you, how efficiently we are retrieving a data is important. That's why Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a what? Database product. What is the database means? It is a place where we can store structured collection of data that is permanently. Today we are storing a what data means after 100 years we are not available also data is available okay permanent in a hard disk only. Whenever retrieving a whenever if you want to retrieve the data or we're managing a data then we are using a what SQL language. That's why Oracle is a database you are working in a company then we are using a what which language tell me. Very good, not only SQL but also some other language knowledge is required. What is that one? Anybody having idea in our class? Maybe guess it. In a Java developers, .NET developers, Python developers are there. Another language is what? PLSQL. Procedural language extension for SQL. Very good. PLSQL. Suppose you are a Java developer, you are a JDBC, you are working, means stored procedures is a concept is there. Where that stored procedures coming from? PLSQL is a language. This is an extension of the SQL that is called a procedural language extension for SQL. Procedure language concepts means variables, loops. Okay, not a difficult coding, easiest coding only. But okay, some procedure language concepts they are embedded only because we are controlling the server purpose. These two languages you are good. You are applying a what a job, 100% guarantee job. Why? Because 100% I am telling you what why means these type of programmers are very less competition. Suppose in this recent period also so many fellows are SQL developers or PLSQL developers easily getting a job. Why means reason is there very competition is very less. First of all, these type of queries writing means actually easy, but unfortunately how they want to write how okay so now they want to learn means they doesn't know. There is a problem in a worldwide. In YouTube, so some articles are there, some topics they are telling only. Okay, for step by step they are not telling only. That's why maybe confidence level is very low. That's why they are failure in interview. That's why these two languages good. Then you are working as a Oracle database developer in the worldwide. Otherwise, SQL language good also. So many types of jobs are there. What type of jobs means later we are learning. Again, only PLSQL you are good. SQL okay, son of a little bit of knowledge is there also. Maybe you are settled as about PLSQL developer jobs. Front end also not required. Java, Python, this type of front end language is also not required. Some fellows are settled as a tab view programmer, some fellows are Power BI programmers because they are very good knowledge in a way, little bit of basic SQL is enough. But not only these two languages, another language also I'm telling only that is easy. Now here extension of the where okay SQL PL SQL after just extension small one 3 or 4 days I will tell you that is dynamic SQL. That is better. Okay, yeah, my interest purpose. I know how much important this one, that one also. Yes, here dynamic SQL. That's why anywhere in the worldwide you are learning a what Oracle database course means. In that course they are telling a what 3 languages. One is SQL language, structured query language, extension of the SQL PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL, and another one is what dynamic SQL. Suppose in our class one of these days, not today, okay, one of these days, observe here. Otherwise, okay. Now here observe here. In a Oracle, whenever we are starting in a future means observe here how can I install all the things I will tell you. The first here SQL language side we are learning a what here these type of things. SQL is a language is there. In that language side, DDL, DML, okay, TCL, DQL, basic concepts first. Because what is going on, you don't have an idea means how we are operating impossible. Okay, na? Yeah. And now here, that's why first we are learning about those fundamentals. Once you are good at what those fundamental, then we are learning what first important concept is in every database SQL joins. Anybody have any idea? Here joins. Joins means retrieve data from multiple tables. This is SQL course only. Retrieve fetching data from multiple tables. That is nothing but a join. Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, maybe some names you have an idea, I think. Okay, just some Java, .NET, Python, these type of programmers, data analytics programmers, data okay, science programmers. There are so many different programmers, well-known persons. Now joins we are learning only in a very SQL language course side. First important chapter that one. Once you are good at what joins, queries, so something practicing means, then you are familiar with the what another one. In a real time, they are giving a what, okay, sorry, intro question side, this is a table, this is another table, how many types of rows are there, okay, this type of questions also I will tell you, don't worry. Next one is what? Constraints. Constraint means a primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null, something is there. Suppose bank account number is there, your account number and my account number not same. How it is possible? Yes, if you want to restrict duplicate data, if you want to stop invalid data entry into our project requirement based means we are writing about these type of validations. That is data integrity. That is nothing but what constraints we are using. Okay, that is a big concept. Okay, fine. Once you are learning about those two chapters, then we must familiar with the what very important chapter in every database SQL. What is that one means? Subqueries. This is most powerful. You are a Java developer, you are attending a what interview, write a query to display entire salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table, write a query to display second highest salary employee. So these type of questions they are asking. Once they are asking that question, compulsory you are learning a what, sorry, you compulsory you are writing a what that query, otherwise you are never selected. Because minimum database knowledge is required in a front-end developers also. That's why this chapter is most powerful. In this chapter, very huge concepts we are learning only, most powerful, advanced, all the things I will tell you. Once you are good at what those all the things, then another one, views, sequences, synonyms, so many things are there like that. Again, advanced concepts we are learning only one of the stages. Okay, decode, case statement, and so many functions are there. Regular expressions. Suppose you are a Java developer, means you are very good knowledge in aware. Observe 1 minute only. Advanced. Maybe you are a Java, .NET, Python developer. Means 1 minute observe. Anybody having idea these type of advanced? Yes, regular expressions. POSIX notations. Anybody having idea Java programmers? Here special type of symbols are there or not? Quantifiers. Star is a symbol, plus is a symbol, dot is a symbol, question mark is a symbol. What is happening? In that one, okay, regular expression through we are learning a what here. Mail ID validation. Again, email ID validation. Again, PAN card validation. PAN card validation. Again, Aadhaar card validation nowadays in Indian person side. Okay, these type of things, how can I miss nowadays regular expression concepts through we are learning. That's why once you are good at what SQL language, so many concepts are there, then you are learning a what a PLSQL. In a PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. In a this course side, as which syllabus is there, just observation purpose, fastly I'm telling. Don't worry fast also, just one by one, okay, because you don't have an idea anything, just observe it only. PLSQL. In a PLSQL, we are learning introduction point. But unfortunately, PLSQL said more concepts. Why I'm telling in my classes means maybe some fellows are struggling to getting a job in a very front end side. Those persons 2 years, 3 years gap is there. They're putting a fake experience as a PLSQL developer. That's why job purpose only I'm telling more concepts. Here cursor, okay, yeah, exceptions. Exception try catch throw finally is there no in a Java. That much of difficulty is not there. Very easy runtime errors we are handling means exceptions. Again, subprograms most powerful stored procedures. This is for Java, .NET, Python developer side. Compulsory they want to learn. Compulsory. Every web application programmer must familiar stored procedure. Otherwise, they are unable to handle. That's why interviewer asking about a minimum basic in a database. In parameter, out parameter, in out parameter means how you are passing about data from Java into where database into Java. So now return the values, passing the values. So many things are there. Don't worry. Here, that is a triggers. Triggers means pure PL SQL developer side packages. Again, advanced application types are used in packages, index by table, nested table, VRI like this. Performance tuning concept, bulk bind is concept is there. So now here ref cursor. And now here yes, local subprograms, UTL file package, external tables, SQL loader, this type of so much. Suppose you want to store a what images means BLOB data type is there or not? That is Java developer side. Here dynamic SQL, something is there or not? That's why in our syllabus we are learning about those all the things only. Okay, fine. One by one, huge syllabus only. Don't afraid only one by one. You are learning means you are understandable. But today, one technical concept I will tell you. At least first time newcomer. Only I am telling you what Oracle is a database product. One of the popular database product from Oracle Corporation. That histories I will tell you later. Don't worry. Just what the purpose of this database product means to store structured collection of data. If you want to operate a what that Oracle database product means, then we must familiar two languages. One is SQL language, another one is what PLSQL. Okay, through these two languages we are operating a what data in a this database. But you don't know the dynamic SQL also, not a problem. Okay, just here this is a SQL language. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Up to this one, maybe you have an idea. Now observe here. I have a doubt only today. What is my doubt means? Suppose I am working in a company. Observe here, fastly observe here. Don't disconnect only, just at least 5 minutes. You're lately connected. Yeah. Now check it out. Suppose I am working in a company. Whenever I am working in a company, I am working in a where Oracle project. Okay, software company side, Oracle project. Whenever Oracle project is there, I am also, my colleagues also operating our data in this Oracle. We are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. Something I'm typing. Yeah, SQL language. Again, software companies means not only single work project only. So many projects as similar technologies also there. Suppose same like a Oracle, Microsoft product is there. SQL Server, that is a Microsoft product. That is also same like a Oracle relational data model product. Okay, so this is also popular product. I'm agree. Suppose nowadays Power BI, anybody learning means they are okay. So now learning what compulsory SQL Server. Again, anybody interested to work in a where .NET technology means those persons are working in a where SQL Server like that. Okay, don't worry. Now SQL Server is available in my project only. For example, in my company. That is also similar to where Oracle database product. This is also SQL Server database product from Microsoft. Anybody working in a where in a SQL Server database product also, they are also using a what? SQL language. What is this one? They are also operating a data in SQL Server. They are using a what? SQL language. Again, another one is what? MySQL, for example, open source is there. PHP related web application they are developing means. Or maybe in my company side, a MySQL database is there. Same like a Oracle, same like a SQL Server. Who are operating a what? MySQL database data also. They are also using a what? SQL is a language. But what is my doubt? Oracle programmer also operating a data in a Oracle database. They are using SQL language because that is the Oracle is a relational data model product. SQL Server also, Microsoft product also, that is also database product. That is also one of the relational data model product. If you want to operate a what? That relational data model product, they are using a what? SQL language. Again, MySQL also open source only. That is also relational data model product. That is also popular product only open source. That one, that product operating also, they're using a what? SQL language. But these all SQL languages are same or different? Only one answer is correct. Anybody guess it in our class? Any technical persons are there? Guess it. These all SQL languages are same or different? Very good. So many fellows are telling a what? Wrong answer. Same they are telling, but unfortunately different, not same. How we are given the guarantee, not same. How you are understandable this concept means I will tell you. This is different. But why in our students who are attending a demo classes today also, those persons are telling what? Same means maybe academic career side, they are computer students only. Those persons are working in a very DBMS software lab only. In that lab, maybe MySQL, maybe Oracle, maybe okay, anything they are learning also. In that learning stage, no, that's why small commands are there. Insert, update, delete, select, some commands are there. Those commands are similar things are there in every database. That's why maybe they are telling what? Same only they are telling. That is the wrong one. Not same. How we are given the guarantee that those are not same means simple technique is there. Anybody technical persons are there in our class? 5 minutes observe here. Don't disconnect. Now here. Anybody technical persons are there? Java, Python. Okay, yes, very good. Academic career side, any technical persons are there means easily understandable. These differences only. Simple, observe here. Simple technique. 1 minute or 5 minutes, 2 minutes observe here. Enough. And now observe here. Actually, object-oriented languages, you have an idea? Very good. One of the popular language, C++. One of the, okay, so now other language, Java. Another language, BC++. Another language, .NET. These are all object-oriented languages. Okay, fine. Just compare it, observe here. Same, similar things are there in a database also, observe here. In object-oriented language, C++, object-oriented features are there, maybe OOPS features. What are the OOPS features are available? Yes, very good. Object is available, class is available, inheritance available, maybe polymorphism available. Like this, something is there. Don't worry, technical person available, well-known persons. Suppose in a Java also OOPS concepts are there. In that one, yes, here also, yes, here object is available, class is available, okay, inheritance is available, again polymorphism, some concept is available. But in these two languages, here these concepts, what is Java object, what is class, what is inheritance, what is polymorphism, what is encapsulation, what is data binding, these all the things are conceptually same. Everyone knows, but screen observe it. Non-technical person also observe it here. Here on what's important. Suppose I want to create an object, creating an object in a C++. So how can I means? Just I'm typing a what syntax. What is the syntax means? Anybody having idea? What is object? What is class? I'm not telling. Just logic observe here. Creating an object from the where class in a C++. How can I? What is the syntax? Yes, here syntax means class name space object name. This is the syntax. Same syntax we are using in a where in a Java working? No. Impossible. Observe it here, observe it here. Here also creating an object from the class is there, but they are using a what? Same syntax? No. Slight difference syntax. What is the different syntax means? Maybe so many Java developers are there in our class. Java full stack developers are there. They well-known persons. Class name, okay, how they are creating a what? An object? Class name space object name is equal to new class constructor. Okay, na? Yeah, this is the syntax. Okay, na? Yeah, that's why syntactically different or not? Yes, conceptually what is object, what is class, conceptually same in those two languages, but syntactically different. Not only syntactically, functions also different. Suppose in a Java, okay, C++, if you want to output me, if you want to display output me, stream output me, cout is a function is there or not? Yes, maybe any technical person ever knows. The same function we are using in a very Java working? No, how it is working? That is a different language only. That's why here system dot out dot println we are using or not? Yes, here. That's why conceptually same these two languages. Conceptually means object oriented feature, not all features. Conceptually same object oriented features, but syntactically different. And also functions also different. Same here also, same thing is there. Observe here. Actually, 1-2 minutes observe here. Actually, SQL is a ANSI standard language. SQL is a ANSI standard language. That is so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. SQL is a ANSI standard language. American National Standard Institute defining some standards on the where SQL. That's why that SQL works in all relational database. Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, MongoDB means there is a no SQL. That is different. Okay. And now here the SQL database. Okay, fine. Observe it here. But unfortunately, screen observe it. SQL is an ANSI standard language which works with all relational database. Observe it here. Here. Screen observe it 1 minute on. Now, Oracle Corporation created their own SQL language from this ANSI standard SQL that is called Oracle SQL. That's why in our class we are learning about Oracle SQL language. That is so many fellows are doesn't know difference. Observe it here. Again, SQL server who are working in a way, those persons who have SQL server, okay, so who are working means those persons are not using Oracle SQL, some other SQL. What is that one means? Observe here. From this ANSI standard SQL, language, a Microsoft company created their own SQL language, that is called what? SQL Server SQL. This is SQL Server SQL. Again, MySQL programmers are using a what? Yes, from this ANSI standard SQL, they are creating a what? MySQL SQL only. That is, so now MySQL SQL language. These all SQL languages are conceptually same. What is joins and procedures, functions, triggers, packages, here indexes, synonyms, something I'm showing, SQL language side is fastly. Okay, the terminology purpose. Conceptually, what is what same, but syntactically different. Syntactically different, and functions also different. Functions also different means observe here. Just observe here, null values operating means any arithmetic operation performed on null values, again it will become a null actually in a databases. If you want to overcome that problem, I am a Oracle programmer in my project. I am using a what? Which one? NVL is a function. Same function I try to use in SQL server working. No, same problem is there. In arithmetic operation performed on null values, again it will become a null is there in a where SQL server also. But how they are resolving that problem means different function. What is that one means? Is null is a function. Again, same like a C++, Java, something I'm telling you, yeah, same, difference. Functions also different. Again, MySQL also, if null is a function. That's why functions are different, syntactically different. That's why in our Oracle class, Oracle SQL language, we are learning. Slide syntaxes are different. And also functions totally different. Suppose here, in a Oracle, add underscore months is a function, is there, dates related. But in SQL server, date add is a function is there. You have to check it out in a YouTube's or okay, Google or anything. That's why always conceptually same. SQL is a ANSI standard language. From that ANSI standard language, Oracle Corporation created their own SQL language that is called what? Oracle SQL. SQL Server, Microsoft creating their own SQL language that is called what? SQL Server SQL. .NET programmer, Power BI programmers, better to learn a what? SQL Server SQL. Oracle, Python, these type of programmers are interested to learn a what? Better to learn a what? Oracle SQL. Most of the companies, Oracle SQL, they are using only. Again, PHP, who are learning means those persons are MySQL SQL better option. Like that. Based on the requirement, you are learning only. But some fellows are interested to learn a what? Oracle SQL. Based on that one, their own way, their own intellectual skills, and Google is there through that one. Yes, in their own way, they are learning in a project oriented. Yes, in other SQL languages. Okay, understood this one? Okay, now fastly I'm telling also, don't worry, because first time, no, just what is what, just idea purpose, terminology purpose only, fast time telling. Okay, subject wise slowly I'm telling, don't worry. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me in a chat box. Okay, 2 or 3 days you have to attend a demo classes. Just what is going on, you are understandable one of these days. Then if you are comfortable means, then you have, if this course is helpful or anything you have decided, then you have to join. Okay, yeah, I will tell you all the things, so many things. Well, I'm so experienced person. How easy way, without any knowledge also, our students only writing a queries, because I'm experienced person, some techniques I will tell you. Through the techniques, you are also writing same like me only. Just okay, so now, oh, this is going on, that is going on, like this one. Simple way, I will tell you techniques. Through that one, your confidence level totally different. Once you are learning a course, at least half of the thing you are understandable. First only slowly I'm telling. Then, but unfortunately, one of the stage you are attending a what? SQL is a 1 hour, and PL SQL also another hour, better to attend. Okay, parallelly means fastly it will be completed, because so much of syllabus is there like that. Okay, yeah. Because so many fellows are SQL language fundamental, they have an idea, I think, in a technical person. Non-technical means one by one they are learning. Technical person is parallelly also better to learn after some stage. Okay, yeah. Actually daily 1 hour, because 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, so many batches are there. Morning also 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, like so many batches are there. Okay, yeah. So many fellows are off of the syllabus, at least 20 or 25 is completed means they have an idea of what is going on. Then slowly they are attending a more hours PL, SQL and SQL. That is better, no? Because syllabus, so much of syllabus like that. Okay, yeah. But what type of jobs are there in this course only? How you are utilizing what this knowledge? Those are all the things I will tell you. Don't worry. Interview point of view also I will tell you, because interview tricky questions are there in a SQL language side. Okay, yeah. Nowadays learning a subject not difficult. Why? Because at least what is what you have an idea also in a Google. So many okay, so queries, so many students or employees or experienced persons are writing articles. Through that one also, your own way you are learning. At least what is going on, first you have an idea means nowadays so many sources are there. But you are spending, if you have a time, you are getting a more knowledge, really. Nowadays, time utilization also most powerful. Okay. But only problem is whenever who are working professionals are there, those persons doesn't have a time. Okay, yeah. But learning, maybe anybody first time newcomers, they are learning, they have a lot of time, but how they are utilizing, I don't know. So now here, yes, Google is there, okay, subject is there, Murali sir, or anybody telling what are some concepts. Oh yeah, this concept, what is going on? Okay, really real time, how they are using only just in a Google, they are searching means their interest, creating interest, and also they are practicing means they are understanding. Nothing very easy. But project time, easily remembering, but all other time means interest is there, then only they are practicing. Okay, not a problem. Okay, yeah. Okay, now Java programmers means compulsory you are learning what at least subquery is there, no? Subqueries, joins, and PLSQL stored procedure you are learning means enough. So much of advanced triggers, packages in a PLSQL, very advanced, I will tell you, those all the concepts not required. Why? Because which concepts is suitable for those persons you have to utilize. I am telling all the concepts because my interest, subject purpose, and also some fellows are struggling to get a job only. In that case, more knowledge is there. Maybe okay, they are utilizing a what this concept through that one. So many fellows are well settled. Okay, that is my intention. That's why I am telling a depth. But you are okay. If you are a front end developer, means front end related concepts you have to learn better. Okay, all the concepts means you are also not okay. So no practicing time is not there. No, yeah, that's a problem. Okay, those are all the things I will tell you later. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you so much for attending this small demo class. Tomorrow I will continue. Tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you. Srin was asking only Murali sir, SQL PL skill is enough for as a 2 years experience in a SQL developer job. Yes, PL SQL developer job set. Yes, enough. SQL you are good means SQL you are good also enough. But practicing is required. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Na? Thank you so much for attending this small demo class. Slowly understood all the things only. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay. Otherwise, you want my PDF or anything means maybe in a net only Murali sir. My name is Murali. Murali sir PDF Oracle. You have to type it means that will be there maybe 2013 or 14 year. Okay. Long back. 2010 onwards I'm in teaching field. Don't worry. What is the prerequisites for Oracle? Not required. Anything. SQL language you are learning means not required in a occasion of software related concepts. Okay, you don't know, I don't know anything also, not a problem. You are learning very easy. But PLSQL means a little bit of knowledge is there. But in that time, you are also understandable because in that case, you are getting so much of knowledge, yeah, in a SQL language. That's why maybe understandable in that case. Okay, yeah, not a problem. I will tell you those all the things. First time fast also, don't worry, demo classes, no, that's why fast I'm telling. Okay, na subject I'm starting slowly, I will tell you, don't worry. Thank you so much for attending this demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you, okay, 2 or 3 days, observe it. Then only you are decided. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. Another class is there.